So we share that equally because of the first two partners. I divide by 2. It will be 338, 686, negative 338, 686 negative, and dash. Then another 677, 372 negative. Baraka will still get half, 338, 686 negative. But there, the others will get a quarter of that. This will be 169, 343, negative 169, 343. Then we'll get the subtotals. We might not finish because of time, but let me at least do the subtotals for the trading income. Then probably I'll let you finish for the other specified sources. So for Baraka, I'll just add 96,000 plus 96,000 minus 20, 571.4 minus 338, 686 minus 338, 686. Now this would be negative 505, 943, 943.4 negative. The other one would be 96,000 plus 48,000 plus 80,000 minus 13, 714.3 minus 338, 686 minus 169, 343. We get 297, 743.3 negative. Then you have 48,000 minus 5714.3 minus 169, 343. And you get 127, 057.3 negative. Now, if you add that, you should be able to get 930. So if we add everything, we should be able to get back our profit of 930. So let's add. So this is 297, 743.3 minus 505, 943.4. And we get that 930, 744. So what remains to put here are other incomes. So there are other incomes like, there are 3 incomes I want you to later share there, but you're going to look at it in the next class. So that's the part that is left. So let me just list for you. You're going to share dividends from cooperative. It's in the income statement. Weber Cooperative. So we're going to share dividends. There's dividends from a farmers cooperative. So this is dividends from Weber for up. So again, you put 6 months and 6 months. That's dividends from a cooperative is taxed twice, so it must be included there. Then you're also going to have in the cash book, note 2, get rental income. We are assuming this rent is commercial because if it's residential, it cannot be taxed like this. So again, 6 months, 6 months. And then get farming income net, farming after expenses. So this must be net. We share 6 months and 6 months. Then you get the total taxable income, like that. This will be the total taxable income. So we'll have the total there. So something else, a caution, don't add the losses because of the rule of specified sources of income. So this loss is from trading, from partnership trading. You cannot add to dividends, to rent, to farming. So you'll only add these incomes without including the loss, and then you get the total taxable income. But I hope we'll be able to look at this. Like, let me just give you an example. Dividends in the statement, dividends have been given as 50. I will get half. Half is 25, So Baraka will get 12,500 and 12,500. I mean, they will not get. The other 25,000, 12,500, and then 6,250, 6,250. I've already finished with dividends. Then you have rent. Rent is on the debit of the cash book summary. There are no expenses to go with the rent. So I'll just bring in the 160,000 for rent. So the first 80,000, half. So he gets 40, he gets 40. He doesn't get. The next 80 from July, he gets 40, then he gets 20 and 20. Are you following or are moving too fast? Una follow? Dorcas, are you able to follow? Dorcas, are you following? Or we are moving too fast?
I'm following.
You're following, good. So let me do the last one, but the farming income has to be adjusted. Let me quickly prepare an adjustment here for farming. So let me just say, this is a note for farming, maybe note 3. Farming income. So we have gross farming income from the cash book. The debit of the cash book, the gross farming income has been given as 184,000. So 184,000. Then if you look at note number 6, they tell you surplus water was sold for 74,000 during the year. So the machine for drilling water was installed at the farm. So surplus water must be part of farming income. So sale of surplus water, another 74,000. So if you add this, you get to 58,000. Then we will lessen. First of all, you remember the machine which had been installed. The cost was 150,000 plus installation of 22,000. We'll get investment allowance on that. So drilling machinery. So the rate of investment allowance would be 10% times 172,000. How am I getting 172,000? It is 150,000 plus 22,000 installation. So I'll deduct here 17,200. 17,200 for installation of drilling machinery. Then there's a water pump. The water pump is in note 5, 120,000. So there's also a water pump. 10% of 120,000 is 12,000. So I'm deducting from 258,000, I'm deducting 29,200. So 258,000 less 29,200. The difference is 228,800. So that's the taxable income. 228,800. So I come here and distribute. Half of that for 6 months is 114,400. So 114,400. Baraka gets his share, 57,200. And 57,200. And dash. The other one, 14,400. Again, Baraka gets his share, 57,200. Now, wengine will get half of that, which is 28,600 and 28,600. Then, like I told you, because of specified sources of income, you only add the incomes from, you don't put the losses, because those losses are from trading, from partnership trading. So for example, for Baraka, it's going to be 12,500 plus 12,500 plus 80,000, these two, 40 and 40, plus 57,200 plus 57,200. So Baraka's taxable income is 219,400. 219,400. Then Bina is 12,500 plus 6,250 plus 60,000 plus 57,200 plus 28,600. The result is 164,515. And then finally, your mean is 6,250 plus 48,600. The result is 54,850. Okay, so we are done with that. Any question? Any question? I would have given you an assignment question, but I cannot, well, let me just get it. I'll give you an assignment. I think it's December 2022. You can try December 2022. Let me just confirm this. December 2022. December 2022 is question 3. It's called A, B, and C partnership. So you can try that as an assignment. December 2022. Do I have space? Let me write it. Well, acha niandike hapa chini kabisa. December 2022, question 3A. December 2022, question 3A is called A, B, and C partnership. Lakini hiyo ni ya retirement. Unasema ni share, just pick because you are not, sija commute. Just download from CASNEB. Enda Google CASNEB, utapata all the past papers there, then look for December 2022 question 3A. You don't need a link. Enda tu kwa either Google ama hii nini net ingine itwaje. Anywhere in the net. Ukisema CASNEB past papers ama Chrome. Go to Chrome or Google, then say advanced tax, CASNEB past papers, then look for December 2022 question 3A. Okay, very well. I think we are done for today. Asante sana for your patience. Naona tumepita muda. So please enjoy the rest of the evening. See you next week.